really excited to get them out on track, and yeah, I'm sure they'll be all around Australia before we know it. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about a brand new exciting product, Hot Race tyres. These are super cool. Hot Race have been around for many years. They've been in the 8th scale on-road scene, making the foam tyres and the pre-mounts there. They've been in the 1/8 scale off-road scene, again doing the tyres and the inserts for that scene. Now, however, they're branching out into 1/10 off-road, and we're super excited to have them here in Australia, as it's pretty much a worldwide launch. So these are brand new products to not only to Australia and to Hearns, but to the world. So these are hot off the press. Now, in Australia, for Australian conditions here, we've really focused on two of the product lines so far, and they are the Sahara, which is commonly referred to as a bar style tyre. And you can see that I've got them actually mounted up here on a two-wheel drive, and you can see that I've utilised the four-wheel drive fronts on the two-wheel drive, and that is really cool that they fit both applications really well. So they're not too large to fit on the two-wheel drive wheels. In fact, they fit really well, and they fit just as well on the four-wheel drive fronts. So they're a really good universal fitting tyre, which is good, means you have to carry less. So I've got them on the front and the rear, and you can see here that the mould is obviously super clean. These ones haven't been run yet, they haven't turned a wheel. They've just been mounted up. And I have in fact glued these ones up with closed cell inserts that I've reused. So most of us that have been racing for quite a while, I mean, we've been forced to keep buying inserts. And again, one of the beautiful principles to come out of the Hot Race is that you can in fact buy tyres only. So that's really cool. So if you've got your own favourite inserts for your tracks or your conditions, you don't have to buy new tyres with inserts every time. That said, if you would like the option to buy a tyre with inserts, they do have them with open cells. And I'm going to take these ones here. These are the pin tyre that we've got. And this is called the Bangkok model. So this is a Bangkok tyre, and it is a pin tyre. I'm going to hold that up to the camera, see if we can get that focused. It is really cool. The blocks are actually quite large, so it gives plenty of surface area. And the block itself shouldn't wobble and move around too much, while giving really good surface area and grip. And I'll go ahead here and have a look at the insert. Now, like I said, it's a white insert. It is very large, which is really cool. So you can either put it in as it is, or if you'd like to tune it or to cut the insert to suit your needs, that's too. So if you put that in the wheel, obviously you get the full maximum foam in there. And yeah, so you can buy them with foam inserts or without, which is a really unique thing for Hot Race, and it's going to make our tuning options, I suppose, more vast, and what we actually have to carry less of. So really cool products there. Now, like I said, so we've got two tyres. We've got the Sahara, which is the bar type style tyre, and that is for your clay, your oil tracks, your more smoother slick surfaces. And then we've got the Bangkok here, which is the pin tyre, and I've got that mounted up on a four-wheel drive, and this has the Hot Race open cell foam insert in it, and feels really nice and plush. Front and rear, the tyres mount up really nice, and there's 3 compounds that we've gone for to suit our Australian conditions. So I've got the firmest one, which would be the clay compound. And that was really good. I tested it at an outdoor track here in Victoria last weekend, and that was tested on both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, and the wear was phenomenal. Then we've gone down to the soft tyre. Again, it's available in both tread patterns, rear and front, the soft compound. And then we've got the super soft compound. Now I'm going to open these ones up here and show you. I've got some front tyres here. Now this is the Sahara in the soft, which is a green dot tyre, and they've got really nice embossing on the sidewall itself. So they've got Hot Race written and the model, and they've got the colour sticker, and that's a soft compound. Really nice, soft and sticky. If I flip that one inside out, you can see they've gone for a smooth inner carcass on the front here. Really cool, really, you can see the moulding's nice and clean. The rubber quality is really good, looks nice and pure. There's no blemishes or anything inside or out the rubber. And again here, I'll open this one up. You can see it's not quite as glossy as the soft compound, given that it's got a different composition, and it's quite a bit softer, the super soft tire. So that's going to be really good for your either your low weather conditions or when you're really struggling for grip. So really looking forward to getting these out on track. And like I said, you can mount them up with your traditional closed cell inserts that you've got in your tool bag. So you might have favorite ones that you like to use, or of course you've got the open cell that are available in the Hot Race deal. So yeah, so that was a little bit of a demonstration on the brand new world exclusive, which is the Hot Race 1/10 off-road tires. Really excited to get them out on track, and yeah, I'm sure they'll be all around Australia before we know it. I'm Brett, and thanks for watching.